Namaskar, Seafarers. Welcome back to Sailor's Compass, where sea life meets real life. If you're signing on soon, this video is not optional for you because today I will show you step by step how to verify the revised Form 1 as per official guidelines. As per Directorate General of Shipping Circular 56 of 2025, issued on the 11th of December 2025, Form 1 has been revised for uniform immigration verification. There are now three categories. Revised Form 1 for Indian seafarers joining foreign flag vessels through approved RPSL, Form 1A for Indian flag vessels, Form 1B for non-seafarer categories like technicians, auditors, and cruise staff. And remember, the old editable Form 1 is no longer valid. Only the new digitally generated version will be accepted by airlines and immigration. Now I'll show you exactly how to verify it. First, RPSL verification. Open your browser. Type www.dgshipping.gov.in. Once the website opens, go to the Seafarers section. Click on Recruitment and Placement Services. Then open List of Approved RPSL. Now search the company name or RPSL number mentioned on your Form 1. If the status shows valid, you are safe. If it shows expired, suspended, or cancelled, stop immediately. Do not proceed further. Second, Form 1 verification. Open a new tab. Type www.emigrate.gov.in. Click on Employer. Select Track Application Status. Enter your application reference number from Form 1. Click Validate. If your details appear correctly, vessel name, employer, contract period, then your Form 1 is authentic. Under the Merchant Shipping Act 2025, Indian seafarers are recognized as key workers. But that protection works only when your documentation is correct. We double check charts at sea. We verify positions before altering course. Apply the same discipline before boarding your flight. 2 websites, 2 checks, 2 minutes. Verify before you fly. Stay professional, stay alert, and sail safe.